consider President Rodrigo Duterte as a vice presidential candidate in the 2022 elections. Duterte said it during the inauguration of the LRT2 East Extension project in Antipolo City, Rizal.
Maybe at this time you can say that para to maintain the equilibrium sa lahat, consider me a candidate for the vice presidency.
He shared that if he wins as VP, he will be doing these.
Ngayon, kung natakbo ako ng vice president, panalo ako. Kung hindi ko ka-aliado yung presidente, all I have to do is to join the military and the police in the fight against crime, drugs, especially criminality, and all. And also maybe go around the ASEAN countries for a more cohesive relation between them.
The president's party, PDP Laban, has adopted a resolution convincing Duterte to run for vice president. Duterte, however, said he floated his VP bid for political posturing.
You would know what is a lame duck. Kaya ikaw, hindi ka talaga papayag na maging shit ka rin. So nandito ka, you try to posturing yan, political posturing, so that they would not treat you badly. Kasi paalis na ako eh.
He also said this will not push through if later Representative Martin Romualdez runs for VP. Duterte has given his word to the House Majority Leader.
So if Romualdez would hang on to that commitment, sabi ko nga, if there is space lang, kung wala,
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.